everybody, welcome. So tonight we are going to do a manifestation meditation. तो आज हम लोग manifestation के ऊपर मेडिटेट करेंगे, where we will imagine the future which we want. So the next 5 years of our life which we want, we will just manifest, we will just imagine how beautiful it has to be for everybody of us. So in a setup, what we will do? So we will go to a hilly area. So a serene place, hilly area where you will find a lot of comfort, where you will find a lot of peace within you. And as a first step, we will cleanse our body with golden light. We'll cleanse all the aura, all the chakras, all the meridians, all the organs with golden light, so that all the blockages which we are carrying inside us are completely dissolved. Second step, we will imagine a big ball in front of us, where we are going to imagine the life of our dreams. We will see the picture of our life which we wish for us. And at the same time, we will also imagine that all our family members are around that ball. We are just sitting in a circle around that ball, and everybody of us are blessing the ball, blessing the future with great positivity, with great intent, so that we all achieve our dreams and goals for our highest and best good. So shall I repeat this once again in Hindi? So हम लोग पहले इमेजिन करेंगे कि हमारे ऊपर एक गोल्डन लाइट आ रहा है. गोल्डन लाइट हमारे पूरे बॉडी को, पूरे चक्रास को, ऑरा को, ऑर्गन्स को क्लेंस कर रहा है. सारे बॉडी के हर एक ब्लॉकेजेस को हमेशा के लिए डिसॉल्व कर रहा है. सेकेंड स्टेज में हम देखेंगे कि हमारे सामने एक बहुत बड़ा बॉल है. उस बॉल के अंदर हमारे मूवी को हम देखेंगे, हमारे लाइफ को हम देखेंगे, नेक्स्ट 5 years का लाइफ हम देखेंगे. जो हमें चाहिए, जो हमें इमेजिन करना है कि हम ऑलरेडी उस लाइफ को जी रहे हैं, उस लाइफ को पा चुके हैं, उसको हम एनर्जाइज करेंगे. और उस बॉल के आजू बाजू हम ऐसा इमेजिन करेंगे कि हमारे सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, हमारे सारे रिलेटिव्स हैं. ऑल्सो वी हैव द एंजल्स अराउंड अस who are blessing the goal with their energies and powerful intent. So let us start. I would request all of you to take 3 deep breaths, in from the nose and out from the mouth. 3 deep breaths. Please close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Imagine that you are sitting near a serene place, a beautiful place. There are mountains all around you. Just feel the mountains, just feel the energy of the mountains, of the surroundings around you. अपने आसपास mountains को देखें, उसकी energy को feel करें, अपने अंदर deeply feel करें. Just feel the power of the soil around you. Just feel how powerful your surroundings are. अपने आसपास की एनर्जी को फील करें, उसके पावर को फील करें. Now imagine that you are sitting very very comfortably. आप एक बहुत ही comfortable जगह में बैठे हैं. And imagine that you are getting a golden light, a golden shower from the universe. आपके ऊपर से, यूनिवर्स से, आपके सर से, आपके शरीर में गोल्डन शावर को फील करें. Just imagine this powerful golden light entering your body through your crown chakra, that is your head. Just feel and imagine this powerful light entering your body, is healing all the cells of your body. आपके बॉडी के हर एक सेल को ये हील करते हुए इमेजिन करें. Just imagine this healing your brain, your eyes, your nostrils, your ears, your mouth. Just feel the amazing clearing happening. It is clearing away all the blocks which we have inside us. This powerful light is now going to your throat area. It is healing the throat chakra completely. of all the blockages. आपके थ्रोट में जो भी ब्लॉकेजेस है वो हमेशा के लिए डिसॉल्व करते हो. This light is going down to your upper body, your chest area, your heart. It is healing your upper body deeply. Your lungs are getting cleaned. Now imagine this light going down to your stomach area. This powerful light is healing all the organs in your stomach area deeply, completely. Imagine this light going down to your thighs, your legs, and this is healing your entire body. Just feel this golden light in and around your body, cleansing it deeply from the roots. All the blocks, all the negativity which you're carrying inside you are getting completely drenched, completely transmuted, completely dissolved in this powerful golden light. Now I would imagine in front of us all the relatives, all our relatives. Just imagine that they're sitting in and around us. आपके सारे relatives को आप अपने आजू बाजू महसूस करें. If you're married, then also imagine your in-laws, your parental side. Just imagine all the relatives, all the family members around us. Also imagine a lot of angels around us. हमारे आसपास angels को भी feel करें. I call upon Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Sandalphon, all the archangels to help us all get a great experience of manifestation tonight. Just imagine a lot of archangels around you who are going to help you. A very, very powerful manifestation exercise. Now imagine a very, very big ball, a white ball, a powerful ball in front of you, which has a screen within. अपने सामने एक बहुत ही पावरफुल बॉल को इमेजिन करें जिसके अंदर एक स्क्रीन है, सफेद बॉल. And we will manifest all our desires for the next 5 years, and we will see this amazing ball as a movie. हमारे लाइफ के नेक्स्ट 5 years हम मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे एक मूवी की तरह. Whatever we want in the life in the next 5 years, at health level, material level, relationship level, peace level, spiritual level, all the levels of existence. Just imagine your life inside this ball. Just see yourself very, very happy, satisfied. Just feel yourself full of gratitude as you have received everything you want from the universe very, very easily. आपके सारे सपने पूरे हो रहे हैं. आपका लाइफ अमेजिंग है. Just see yourself and your family members so happy. Just see yourself so successful, healthy, prosperous, abundant. And also imagine all your family members and the angels around us in the blessing pose, both the hands facing the chest. And they are all blessing this powerful manifestation. They are all blessing the ball with their amazing energies. आपके सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स का हाथ ब्लेसिंग पोज में है और वो सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स और एंजल्स इस बॉल को, आपके ड्रीम्स को उनकी शक्तियों से ब्लेस करते हुए इमेजिन करें. Also imagine your ancestors, all your ancestors who are very fond of you. आपके सारे ancestors को imagine करें वो भी आपको ब्लेस कर रहे हैं। आपके एनर्जीज आपके इस पावरफुल मैनिफेस्टेशन को ब्लेस करते हुए इमेजिन करें। जस्ट सी योरसेल्फ अचीविंग एवरीथिंग इन योर लाइफ। There is a big white ball in front of you. We have a movie screen in that ball, and we are going to see our life, our amazing life inside. We are going to manifest our life inside. The next 5 years of our life, which is going to be full of happiness, joy, peace, prosperity, spirituality, and what not. Just feel amazing things happening to you. Just feel you're connecting to amazing souls, amazing people. Just feel you're getting amazing opportunities in life to grow, to prosper. अपने आप को बहुत ही लकी महसूस करें। इमेजिन करें कि आपके सारे सपने पूरे हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। आपके सारे एंसेस्टर्स, आपके सारे रिलेटिव्स, सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स, सारे एंजल्स आपकी इस विश को ब्लेस करते हुए, बिकॉज एवरीबडी ऑफ द एंसेस्टर्स, रिलेटिव्स, फैमिली मेंबर्स एंड एंजल्स, दे वांट टू सी यू हैप्पी, दे वांट टू सी यू सक्सेसफुल, दे वांट टू सी यू हेल्दी एंड पीसफुल एज वेल. All of them are blessing from the bottom of their hearts. Very, very powerful blessings are coming in from all of them. Whatever you want to see and just imagine that this already happened for you, and just have this feel good factor. Just smile as you bless, just smile as you meditate. जितना हो सके उतना स्माइल करें, and just keep on blessing, and just visualize your amazing life. Just see how amazing you are living. All the dreams are already coming true. You are achieving whatever you wanted very, very fast, for your highest and best good. All your relatives, your family members, your office colleagues, your neighbors, your friends, all of them are very, very proud of you for whatever you have done for yourself and also for the society. Just imagine this amazing life. Just imagine this healthy life, perfect life of your dreams coming true. Smile as much as possible. Just smile and feel this happiness within your heart. Life is amazing. Life is rocking. All your dreams are getting true. All the angels are supporting us. Just bless as much as possible. Just see all your dreams becoming a reality. If you are doing a job, then see your job doing very good. See your company in which you are working, this is doing very good. See yourself getting promotions. See yourself getting salary hikes. See yourself getting recognized in your place of work. Just imagine yourself that you are very, very successful in your job. You're getting a lot of recognition in the job setting. All your seniors are very, very happy with you. Or your colleagues are very, very happy with you. See yourself super successful. The company in which you are working is doing very good. So now if you have a business, then imagine your business doing great. Just imagine you are attracting all the right clients all the right opportunities to make your business grow faster. See all the employees who are working under you, they're getting great output. All of them are very, very happy. Your business is flourishing. If you're a housewife, then just see your husband or your family, your son, your daughter, your relatives doing great. Just see your financial health amazing. Just feel the bliss. Just see the positive things happening to you. See your family very, very healthy. See yourself in loving relationships. There is a big ball in front of you. In that we have a big screen. And just see yourself very, very happy, healthy, peaceful, successful. Whatever your dreams are, they are already fulfilled. All your family members, all your ancestors, all the angels are blessing it. Just feel this power inside you now as you receive all the blessings from all the well-wishers in your family, from all the well-wishers and the ancestors and all the angels around us. You take back a lot of positive energies tonight, and you're going to get a lot of power within so that you can make true the life of your dreams. Smile as much as possible. Smile with your heart and see all the manifestations coming true. Just live the manifestations. Just live the dreams as if it is already done. And feel the happiness which you always wanted. It has come to you now, right now, at this point of time, which is making you more powerful than ever before. Just feel the amazement inside you as you achieve everything which you always wanted, everything which you always dreamt. This is in front of you now. How amazing the life is. Life is giving you great positive surprises all the time. See your family members happy, proud of you for whatever amazing work you're doing for yourself and the mankind. Just receive the blessings. I would request all of you to repeat with me. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. I receive these blessings now for my highest and best good. So be it, so be it, so be it, in full faith. Just imagine a beam of energy inside you, which is making you very, very strong and powerful, which is making you very, very capable of doing anything, which will help you to achieve all your dreams, all your desires in the physical plane of existence. Just feel the happiness. Now I would ask you to imagine that all your ancestors, all your family members are coming to you one by one, and with their right hand, they are blessing you with all the power. Imagine करें कि आपके सारे ancestors और सारे family members आपके सामने आते हुए उनके राइट हैंड से आपके सर पे हाथ रख के आपको blessing करते हुए. So they're putting their right hand on your crown chakra, on the top of the head. They're blessing you with so much of power. Just feel the power. They are all blessing you as they want you to be successful. Just feel the blessings in your body, in all your organs, in all your chakras, in your aura. They all are coming to bless you. They're very, very happy to bless you. You're saying, thank you so much for blessing me, blessing my vision, blessing my dreams, blessing my goals. You're accepting the blessings with so much of gratitude. Just say thank you to each and every one of them as they bless you on your head, keeping their hand on your head. All of them are coming to you and blessing you. Just feel the blessings inside you. They all are coming to hug you as well. Just hug them. Just say thank you to them. Just feel this happy environment around you. सभी लोगों से गले मिले, उन सबको थैंक यू बोले, आपके एम्स को, आपके ड्रीम्स को ब्लेस करने के लिए, आपको ब्लेस करने के लिए. Just imagine how happy the setup is as you receive so much of blessings, so much of positivity from all of them. One by one, they're coming and blessing you. Just receive the blessings and say thank you. Receive the blessings and say thank you. Receive and say thank you. They are super proud of you. They all love you so much, and they always want to see you successful and happy in this lifetime. Just feel the energy getting inside your body and filling you with a lot of love, hope, and positivity. Slowly, slowly imagine that the ball in front of you is rising and going towards the universe. आपके सामने जो बॉल है वो उड़ते हुए और यूनिवर्स की तरफ जाते हुए. This ball of your dreams are going to the universe so that the universe can fulfill your desires as soon as possible. Just wave the ball, bless the ball. Say thank you to the ball. Say thank you to all the angels. Thank you to all the ancestors. Thank you to all your relatives for taking out time, blessing you, helping you tonight. I would request all of you now to slowly come back to your bodies. धीरे धीरे अपने बॉडी में वापस आ जाए. Just feel the energy in your body. Come back to the place in which you belong, you stay. Slowly, slowly tap your body, tap your shoulders, tap your ankles, tap your forehead, tap your jaws, tap your throat, tap your chest, tap your stomach, tap your thighs, tap your legs, tap your entire body. And let the energy get inside your body and let it be inside you to help you manifest the life you always wanted. Slowly, 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 as you are ready, you can open the eyes with a big, big smile. Thank you so much, everybody.